Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today, I'm participating in a challenge called as Flipping Fridays, which is hosted by Jamie of Board or Bananas. So if you haven't already been to her channel, I'll leave the link of her channel in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. So this project is basically you have to give some love to the old project of yours. So this is one of my old project that I did for fall. I just created like a glass pumpkin out of my candle jar. So I'm going to repurpose this into a Christmas craft. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result of the project. So this is our fall pumpkin jar converted to a Christmas jar where I poured some of the Epsom salt and some snowflakes. And these are the two snowflake stickers. I just stuck it inside to just give like a snow effect to it. And I stuck 2 trees inside, Christmas trees, and some foam balls, and one of the bell, green color. And on top of the jar, I just circled with some of the golden berry string, and I stuck 2 of the holly florals on top, and this is one of the silver white berries, and I created one more leaf with the, some foam balls stuck into it, and this is one of the snowflake with some foam balls stuck to it, and I scattered bells and foam balls around it. So yeah, this is my flipped project from fall to winter. So I hope you like it as much as I do. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.